रेडी ओके एक्शन।
तेरे बिन लादेन is a satire on the post 9/11 world. It's a mad comedy. Basically एक मजाकिया अंदाज में we are trying to see the world today, which is a completely bizarre and mad world. It's a story about Ali Hassan, who is a Pakistani reporter based in Karachi. He's working for Danka TV, which is a real shady small-time news channel. And he wants to go to America. He has only one thing in his mind, which is his American dream, कि मैं अमेरिका जाऊँ और वहाँ जाकर मैं Fox या CNN जैसे बड़े न्यूज़ चैनल्स में काम करूँ. So he keeps trying his luck at the American embassy, but he keeps getting rejected. His visa is rejected because of the post 9/11 situation. And then eventually he finds out a way of realizing his dreams when he bumps into look-alike of Osama bin Laden. And he creates a fake videotape of bin Laden and sells it to news channels to create sensation and become a famous news reporter.
प्लीज मूड बना, कैरेक्टर में आके प्रॉपर्ली कर. हाँ प्लीज, शाबाश, तू कर लेगा, मुझे पता है तेरा. दोबारा करेंगे. हाँ रेडी ओके एक्शन.
There is Mr. Piyush Mishra, who's a renowned theatre, television and film actor, who's playing a very important character in the film. He is Ali's boss. He's the head of Danka TV, which is a very shady channel. And then there is Mr. Barry John himself. He's playing the antagonist. He is the American agent who's running after Osama bin Laden and Ali. Both of them have done a very good job, and both of them are very funny in the film. We had difficulty in finding a person who would look like bin Laden. It's not an easy job, but we screen tested a lot of people, but then we are not finding a right person. And I got an idea 7 years back. There was this actor called Pradyuman in Delhi who did theatre with me, and he was a very good actor at that time. I remember. So मेरे दिमाग में आया कि why not him, because he has certain features. It's not that he looks like bin Laden, but he has certain features which if you enhance, then he has some similarity. And he's a very good actor, so he's a good mimic also. So we got him, we did his screen test and makeup test, and it all worked well. Vikram Gaikwad, who is one of the best makeup artists in India, he did a fantastic job, and there we were. Shankar Ehsaan Loy have been very, very important for this film because this is a comedy which is bizarre. We are showing a new world to the people. We wanted the cultural essence also. We wanted the madness to be captured. And who better than Shankar Ehsaan Loy, who are one of the top musicians in India. So I went to them and I told them the story, and they liked it instantly, and they said definitely. And they came out with some brilliant tracks, including Uluda Patta, which is the main track, So I think they have played a very, very important role, and I am really happy that I went to them for the music of the film, because they understand what kind of a film I'm trying to make here. They're experienced enough, and they have that nature that they understand comedy very well. In the movie there are around 5 tracks. 2 are lip sync and others are in the background. There are 2 more tracks in the album as well as in the movie in the background, which are done by Dhruv Dhalla. Dhruv Dhalla is the background music composer of the film, and he has given 2 songs. One is called Kukudu and other is called Shor Sharaba. So as you can see, even the title of the songs, they sound funny and bizarre, but that's how the whole film is. I think that it's difficult to make people laugh, especially in the times that we are living in. But I think if you have a story and situations where you're not trying too hard, but they themselves are so funny, and your actors are good, then it's achievable. And I think we have achieved it. Looking at the reactions on trailer so far of this film, I think people are finding it funny as a concept, and I'm sure that we will not disappoint them in the movie either.
Habibi George Bush, illa mata tu kharibu wa tuadi.
कट क्या अजाब बंदा है यार, ये कोई मजाक हो रहा है यहाँ पे.